But the intention of the county all along was not to replace this bridge with a new bridge, but to rehabilitate and preserve our historic heritage here in the area. The way the process will work is obviously they'll have stripped off all of the siding, the roof, and all of the decking. The frame has already been lifted off of the abutments and jacked up, so it's not connected to anything at all right now. It's sitting on cribbing. So the goal today will be to lift the entire frame and remove it from over the stream onto the bank, where it will then be disassembled and will be shipped to Lancaster Timber Frames warehouse in York, where they'll go through each piece and ensure that it's capable of being reused, and if it's not, then they'll fabricate new pieces. Later this fall, they'll bring all of the old pieces with all of the new pieces back, reassemble it on the side, and either this fall or maybe next spring, then we'll lift it back on. Hopefully by either late this winter or early next spring, it looks like a brand new wooden covered bridge.